hope you're well and having the most incredible day today as always. Welcome back to the Chanel. I hope you guys have had the most amazing week and I am back today with another video. Today's video is something which I wanted to film for a little while now and I thought, you know what, new year, let's go, let's do something different, and that is what I'm going to do today. I'm titling this video my 2021 hair growth experiment because that is exactly what we're going to be doing over on this channel. In these videos, I'm essentially going to be trying my best to grow my hair throughout 2021. Before I get into this video, I do just want to give a small shout out to a company called Mappyfull, I think that's how you pronounce it, but they supply and create beautiful prints and frames. So if you guys have moved house or you need some amazing artwork for your room, this is a really beautiful company and they let me pick out exactly what I wanted, and I just love their whole vibe and I think you guys will too. So I'm going to show you what I got and explain what you can do on the site, and it's just really great. So I'll show you what I got. So I hope you guys can see this somewhat well, but this is what they sent me. It's my star sign in a frame. It's absolutely massive. It's got my star sign, my gemstone, and then my birthday at the bottom. I hope you guys can see, but this is absolutely massive. I was not expecting it to be this big, so that's really amazing, and the quality is just unreal. What I loved about this website was that you have so much freedom with your designs. You can pick things like your star sign, or you can even pick something like a map of a certain place that you love, or where you grew up, or your favourite place, and I just really love that, and I love the whole design of it. I just think they look really sick, and it's just such a lovely, delicate way to put artwork around your house, if you know what I mean. One thing I really loved about this company is they do offer free shipping worldwide, which is absolutely amazing, especially because when mine turned up, it was in this massive box, and I was like, what the hell is that? And then I realised it was my amazing print, so I'm really grateful that the shipping was free and everything like that. I think that's just really great, especially in the world at the moment. Free shipping is just a nice touch, I think. At the moment, as I'm filming this video, they do have 15% off everything, which is amazing, and like I said, they do have free shipping, so that's just a bonus. I don't know whether that will still be the case when I upload this video, as they didn't tell me to mention it, but I did just look on the website and they have got a sale. Thought I'd let you guys know. Love a good bargain, want you guys to save some money, so I think it's just a really great time to have a little look. Overall, I'm really happy that this company reached out and asked if they could send me something. I'm really grateful, and I love just how simple their designs are and how personal they are at the same time. I just think that's really great, and it's definitely a nice touch. So like I said, if you're moving out or you want a new art piece for your room or for your house or anything like that, definitely check them out. Like I said, all their links will be in my description box. Don't forget to check them out, and let's get on to the video. Now, to some of you this may seem like a very weird thing to document, but for me, I've always wanted hip length mermaid hair, and my hair just doesn't grow at all. I don't know what it is. Actually, I do know what it is. It's because I don't drink any water, my diet is terrible, and I use a lot of heat on my hair, which are things I'm going to be changing throughout this year. So as you can see, this is my natural hair texture. It's probably I'm not the best at knowing the sort of textures, but I think it might be 2A, 2B, 2C type texture. It's probably classed more as wavy. I'm going to be referring to it as curly because that is what I've referred to it my whole life, but I know it's not your classic curls, it's more of a wave. But this is my texture, and it looks like a bird's nest, and I absolutely hate it, I'm not gonna lie. So this is the start of my journey. I'm basically going to be documenting my hair length now, what it kind of looks like, and also all the things I'm going to be changing, all the things I'm going to be doing, and all the products that I'm going to be using throughout this year to try and encourage my hair to grow as much as possible. If you guys watching this are trying to do the same, I really recommend doing this journey with me. Keep me updated on Instagram, send me some messages, and also if you guys have really long hair or you were in the same position as me and you found some things that really help, please let me know down below, because I would love some more suggestions, and I will definitely be giving them all a try because this is something I've wanted for a long time, and this year I'm going to try and do it as best as I can. So just to show you my hair now, this is my hair texture. It's not the best. There are straight bits kind of mixed in. The curls are it's not the best curl pattern, and that is because I have probably dyed it and straightened it and curled it for about 16 years of my life. So it is very heat damaged, very chemical damaged. It's got chemical damage. I can't speak English today. It's probably just not in the best health, and I don't do a lot of things to encourage it either. I rarely drank water. I don't go for water ever. I basically survive off coffee and hot chocolate and Starbucks, so I need to change that this year because this just needs to be sorted out because I absolutely hate it at the moment. So this is just a formal apology that in any upcoming videos, if my hair looks like a bird's nest or looks disgusting or is always up in like braids or something, the reason is because I'm trying my best not to heat style it. So I do apologise if it looks a bit rank, but that is going to be the reasoning for it basically. I'm going to try my best to treat my hair with the best respect ever. So that is why if you see a bird's nest going on, it's just my hair, so don't panic. So because this is the start of my journey, I don't have any updates to share, but I thought I would go through the 5 tips that I'm going to be kind of sticking to throughout this year. And obviously, like I said, if you've got any more, let me know down below because I'd love to give them all a try. But I thought I'd share with you the 5 tips that I'm going to be doing to keeping my hair as healthy as possible. So tip number 1 that I'm going to be following is little to no heat. And I say little to no because I know that full well these fringe pieces are not going to always be flat and somewhat manageable. They are probably going to stick out or doing their own thing, so I'm probably going to have to straighten like a tiny bit of it just to kind of get it to sit right, but I'm going to try my best not to straighten or curl the entirety of my hair, which is going to be really hard because I do this all the time. Wish me luck, but that's going to be the biggest challenge. Honestly, I'm going to find it so difficult. My second tip that I'm going to be following is trying my absolute best not to dye my hair. Now, I hadn't dyed my hair for years because I completely messed it up one year and I just went to the hairdressers instead. And then because of 2020, I'm not going to lie, money-wise, I didn't want to go and spend 130 odd pounds on getting my hair dyed, so I did dye it myself with box dye. I know, not the best, but I think it came out okay. So that is the colour going on at the moment. It was the Garnier Brown 5.0 I think that I used, in case any of you guys were wondering. It comes out quite dark, but I do really like it. But I'm going to try my best not to reuse that as much as possible this year. So that is the plan anyway. Hopefully, fingers crossed, no dye is used. Tip number 3 that I'm going to be following is going to be drinking a lot more water. Now I know that you need to drink water for your hair to grow, but for some reason I just never bothered. I don't drink water. I literally live off coffee, Starbucks, hot chocolates, fizzy drinks sometimes, and Capri Sun. Like, my water intake is so low that I probably had 1 glass of water a week maximum. Like, and I'm not even joking, it was awful. So I am really trying my best now to drink more water. As I'm filming this video, it is the 1st of January, so new year, drinking as much water as I possibly can. Tip number 4 is kind of 2 tips in one. So the first one is minimal brushing. Now I know that sounds really weird, but when your hair is curly, you can't really brush it anyway because it either goes frizzy or it pulls all your curls out and it just doesn't sit right. Like, I've had a shower and I've not brushed my hair. I basically did a quick finger brush whilst I was in the shower and I brushed it before I washed it, and that is it. I don't want to brush it when it's dry anymore because it just yanks out all the hairs and it makes it a frizzy mess. So that is my partial tip number 4 that I'm going to be following. And also I'm going to be using castor oil head massage situations. I'm going to try and do one of those once a week if I have time to, because I've heard that that is great for encouraging hair growth, and I have castor oil in my cupboard, so I need to use it anyway. So I'm going to be putting it all over my scalp and massaging my head, hopefully once a week, as long as I have time. So that is the plan anyway. Hopefully it works. And the last tip I'm going to be using is my tip number 5, and that is good products. Now I have all my products I'm going to be focusing on my bed, so I'm going to be showing you those now, but I'm basically going to be using really nice, rich, nourishing hair care products. If you guys have the same texture hair as me, so kind of a very loose, kind of curly, wavy situation, please let me know all the products you use down below. I live in the UK, so try not to maybe mention things that I can't get hold of, but anything you guys would recommend, let me know down below. I will definitely go out and purchase them and give them a try myself. So the first products I'm going to be using is a lot of hair masks. I have one here which is an avocado mask which I got from Superdrug. I also have the Moisture Enrich organic carrot and orange oil hair mask, which is this one. I'm basically going to be using hair masks as much as possible, probably maybe once every week or once every 2 weeks. I wash my hair about twice a week, so I don't want to do them too often, so probably once every 2 weeks, but this is just two that I have on hand that I'm going to be using. The next products I'm going to be using is my Olaplex shampoo and conditioner. This stuff is what you guys want, honestly. It's amazing, and I'm really sad that I've used probably about a third of it already because it is very expensive. It is about £50 for both of these tiny little bottles which have 250ml in, which is not a lot, I'm not gonna lie, but you don't need a lot with these. You need the tiniest amount and it makes your hair feel amazing. I really want to try the Olaplex number 3, which is like a leave-in treatment. I really want to get that, so maybe that'll be next on my list. The next products I'm going to be using is the John Frieda Hydrate and Recharge shampoo and conditioner, and I also have the mask as well. And now these are relatively new. I bought these fairly recently, but I thought these would be great for days when my hair feels a little bit drier, especially when the weather changes. Weather really affects my hair. I'm basically Monica off Friends with the humidity. I'm really looking forward to using these more. I have tried them once already and I do really like them, so these are really great and I would recommend them, especially if you've got somewhat heat damaged, dye damaged, lifeless hair like me. The next range of products I'm going to be using is the Umberto Giannini Grow Long... I just dropped it on the floor. Oh, I can't reach it. Oh no, what do I do? Oh, that was a mission. Christ. Like I was saying, the next range of products I'm going to be using is the Umberto Giannini Grow Long Root Stimulating Shampoo and conditioner, and these are Caffeine Grow Complex Jobbies, these ones. I got these off Amazon, but you can actually buy them from Boots now, and they are vegan and cruelty free in case you're wondering. And I also bought the mask and the scalp scrub. That's confusing, but you know what I'm saying. The scrub, the mask, and I have got the shampoo and the conditioner. I've only used these a few times, but again, I really like these and they do leave my hair feeling amazing, and because it is aimed at growing your hair, I really love these. Obviously, I know that there's a lot of shampoo and conditioner here, but my aim is to use up one at a time. I'm not going to be interchanging throughout each thing because I know that's not necessarily the best for your hair. So I'm planning on probably going for the Umberto Giannini first and going through this and letting you guys know how I found it. Then maybe moving on to the Olaplex and using the John Frieda one last, just because I think that's going to be the best order. And last but by no means least are a few products that are basically made for people with curly, wavy hair. Obviously, I am referring to my hair as curly because for me this is quite curly, and a lot of people around me would refer to it as curly, but I know that it is more on the broad spectrum a wavy hairstyle, but I'm just going to say it's curly for now. But I bought these products that are basically specifically for curly hair. So the first one is the Lee Stafford For the Love of Curls Custard Cream. I have this in today. I scrunched it in after my shower and I really love this, and I topped that off with some of the defining gel from the same range. Love it as well. Doesn't leave it crunchy at all, as you can see. Like my hair, you probably can't tell, but it's very soft, very light, so there's nothing weighing it down. And then I also used some of the leave-in moisture mist from the same range again. All of these are cruelty-free, vegan again, which is great. I know that the John Frieda one probably isn't, but I have got an option here if you want to go for that option. It's really great, and these were all on 3 for 2, so I bought all these and I think it was about £17 for the 3. Not that expensive, and the packaging is cute, so that's always a bonus. So those are all of the things I'm going to be using on my hair this year. Obviously this could run out or I could find something else, so I will probably do an update maybe halfway through the year just to see how I'm getting on, or maybe in a few months time. I'm not going to be doing this monthly because my hair honestly does not grow that quick that in a month's time you're probably not going to notice much of a difference. I wish we could, and maybe if we do see a massive difference then I will do another video, but as of right now this is the length of my hair. I know it's not the shortest it could be. I know some people have their hair up to here, but for me this is a short hairstyle, so this is the length it is now. I will obviously insert some close-ups so you guys can see kind of all the way around my head, if you know what I mean. But yeah, obviously let me know down below whether you guys are going to be doing a hair growth experiment this year, or if you're going to be doing any sort of experiment this year. Let me know down below. Also, if you guys have any products or tips for growing your hair, again, let me know down below. I would love to know, and I'm definitely willing to try anything at this point, so let me know down below your tips and tricks. Also, if you're not already, please do subscribe. My aim this year is to hit 10,000 subscribers, and I would really love to do that, and if not more. more, so if you're not subscribed, please do. It honestly would make my day and I would love to have you join the family. So yeah, let me know down below any videos you want to see, and that is everything. I hope you guys have a fantastic day and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!